I'm Chris Fawkes. Welcome to Contractors Wardrobe. I am the Director of Operations at V2. Come on in and take a look to see what we do. At V2, we make custom glass and shower doors. Most of what we do, we get large jumbo sheets of glass in the plant. We cut it, we fabricate it, whether that's polished edge or a beveled edge. We will drill holes with our CNC equipment for towel bars or for hangers for shower doors, that sort of thing. From there, we'll take the annealed glass and we'll run it through our tempering furnace and temper it. What the tempering process does is it changes, when it's annealed, if the glass breaks, it'll break into large pieces that provide a laceration hazard. Once it gets tempered, if it breaks, it's much safer. It'll break into a bunch of little pieces. So all the glass that is used in shower doors is tempered, so it's much safer. From there, we ship it out to either our other location where it'll get transformed into a part of a larger product, or we'll ship it directly to the customer on the glass truck in the case of custom glass. Work is a big part of my life. Outside of work, it's primarily dedicated to family, and the hobby that I enjoy is team roping. Team roping is an event, it's a rodeo event, which involves 2 horses, a header, a heeler, and a steer. So there's a lot of variables that come into play. What happens is the header ropes the steer around the horns and then changes the direction of the steer. The heeler ropes the back feet, and when they come tight, that's when the time stops. So it is a timed event that evolved from the working cowboys of the past, and now it's a popular Western sport. When I have time on the weekends, I like to compete with my son. We go to local jackpots, and I've been fortunate enough to win a variety of prizes, including buckles and saddles and other tack and equipment. So it's really fun. I get to participate with my son while I do it on the weekends, and I've gotten to travel to a number of locations to do so. Out of college, I went to work for a large agricultural business for a couple of years. Initially, I started out in the field as a field supervisor trainee, and I had the opportunity to go into the production plant as a department supervisor. Once I got into the production plant, I knew the manufacturing environment was for me. Production management was my career choice going forward. I spent a number of years at a variety of plants and ultimately ended up in the glass industry in 2013, initially with residential windows and then commercial glass doors for refrigerators and freezers that you see in the supermarkets. After spending a couple of years there in production management, I had the opportunity to join CW in November of last year, where I've been at the V2 location ever since. As the Director of Operations over at V2, I am responsible for the overall performance of the site. This includes being responsible for safety, the safety of our employees. We will have upwards of 80 employees at times, and making sure that they come to work safely and go home safely. I'm responsible for the quality. We want to ensure that a high quality product is sent out to our customers, so all aspects of quality fall under my responsibility. The on-time delivery, we'll get orders in on a short lead time, and so we strive to get orders out in full and on time to our customers. And then we have to manage cost. We're in the business to make money and need to make sure that we're doing these things as efficiently as possible. But I can't do it by myself. It really takes a team effort. So, I have a great team over there, and my job is to lead them, work with the team to achieve these goals. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in learning more about Contractors Wardrobe, please visit our website at www.cwdoors.com.